Section 3132, Example 4. Research shows that the probability of an expectant mother selected at random having twins is 1 to 32. What are the odds in favor of an expectant mother having twins? Starting with what's given, the probability of having twins is 1 out of 32. We know that ratio describes our favorable outcomes to the total outcomes. We are looking for odds in favor. Odds in favor is comparing our favorable outcomes to our unfavorable outcomes. We are given the favorable outcomes. We now need to look for the unfavorable outcomes. And to determine our unfavorable outcomes, we can take our total and subtract from our favorable outcomes. 32 subtract 1, there are 31 unfavorable outcomes. The odds in favor of an expectant mother having twins is 1 to 31. Part B asks, what are the odds against an expectant mother having twins? Odds against is unfavorable to favorable. So instead of 1 to 31, that ratio is now flipped, or the reciprocal. The odds against an expectant mother having twins is 31 to 1.